Hi guys! Let's talk about SIM card replacement. So, ito yung mga, let's say, nawalang SIM card nyo or nasira. So, ano nga ba yung mga dapat nating malaman before tayo mag-visit sa store? Gaano katagal bago makuha yung SIM card? Ano yung mga requirements? May kailangan bang bayaran? So, yun yung pag-usapan natin guys. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so before you visit Globe store guys, you need to book an appointment at q.globe.com.ph. So I'll put the link below sa description for your reference, or I'll put it here. And after nyo makabook ng appointment, make sure to screenshot yung appointment because you need to present that dun sa guard sa store. And for requirements, you need to bring SIM bed, GCash card if available. So, pag wala kayong SIM bed, that's fine. Pag wala kayong GCash card, that's fine. If yung SIM card is nawala together with your phone, let's say ninakaw or nawala, you need to have Notarized Affidavit of loss with the following details. So, ilalagay ko dito yung details. And then, you need to bring 2 valid IDs, at least 1 government ID. Okay, once nasa store na kayo, you need to present the appointment confirmation. Yun yung ni-screenshot nyo. This is the example. And for security purposes, you need to fill out the form. And after that, you need to undergo post-checking question and answer. So, in this part, guys, you need to make sure na tama yung mga sagot nyo sa mga tanong nila. So, possible questions are, let's say, kailan nyo na-acquire yung SIM card? Ano yung niload mo? At kailan yung huling pa-load na mo? And ano yung last promo na ginawa mo dun sa SIM card na yun? And meron din silang question, sino yung like huling, ano yung number ng huling tinawagan mo sa SIM card na yun. And also, marami pang iba. So, marami pa silang questions guys. It depends dun sa nag-assist sa'yo. Parang 5 questions yung ginagawa, isa lang yung mali mo. But I'm not quite sure guys kung how they check it because that's their process as well. Hindi natin alam, okay? So, I'm not connected to Globe. It's just based on my experience. And then, after ng fill out ng form, after mo ma-answer yung mga questions, they're going to advise you, you need to wait within 24 hours or 3 to 5 days. You're going to receive text message. So, yung text message, guys, confirming that your SIM card application is approved. Ganito yung sample ng text message nila from Globe. And then, before you visit Globe, set na din kayo ng appointment to pick up the SIM card. And before nila ibigay yung SIM card, they're going to ask you 100 to 300 pesos. So, minimum, I think, 100. Maximum is 300. Yun ay for SIM card activation. So, yung 200 na yun guys, let's say 200 yung binigay mo. Hindi yun siya parang bayad dun sa SIM card. They're going to send it dun sa SIM card mo as a load. So, yung 200 or magkano yung bibigay nyo is send yan sa inyo as a load. So, based on my partner's experience, yung load niya, sinend sa kanya after 24 hours. So, yung sa akin kasi, hindi pa siya dumating. So, I'm still waiting for the 200 pesos load. So, yun. So, parang free talaga siya. And, in case you are not receiving text message from them, let's say, 24 hours, or let's say, 5 days na. 5 working days, or 5 business days. 5 business days, I think. 5 business days, you're still not receiving text message from Globe. So, your application might be disapproved. And the reason might be mali yung mga answer mo dun sa questions or incomplete yung information confirming na ikaw talaga yung may-ari ng SIM card. So, if that's the case, guys, if you're not receiving text message from Globe, much better you visit Globe store and ask them the status ng SIM card nyo. Alright? So, before you visit again, you need to book an appointment. That is to make sure na ma-cater kayo nung branch or ma-help kayo nung store or ng staff doon sa store. So, if you have any questions, guys, comment down below. So, if you're going to ask me with my experience, if I'm going to rate them 1 to 10 for SIM card replacement, I'm going to rate it as 4 because 5 times akong pabalik-balik sa store before they give me my SIM card. And then, I spend like 1,900 for that card only. So, if you would like to know more about my experience getting new SIM card with the same number, let's comment down below. Just comment down below. Happy to try my best to answer. Pero pag hindi ko nasagot, you just need to visit Globe Store or visit their website. There are a couple of question and answer would help you. And yeah. And don't forget to smile, guys. It's always a great life.